watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Friday, April 27th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, with the Dow soaring more than 800 points over the last 4 weeks, logging gains in 18 of the last 20 sessions, and finally eclipsing the psychologically significant 13,000 mark yesterday, it wasn't surprising to see blue chips take a bit of a breather on Thursday. Nonetheless, a sizable gain from one of the price-weighted index's most expensive names again helped the Dow close at a new all-time high. Before the bell, 3M company handily topped Wall Street forecasts with a 52% rise in first quarter profits and reaffirmed its fiscal year outlook, becoming the Dow's best performer. In fact, if it weren't for the rally in 3M shares, the Dow would have closed in negative territory. Fellow Dow component General Motors was the index's next best performer, surging 4.3% after rival Ford posting a narrower than expected first quarter loss gave investors hope that GM will also surprise the street. Despite a late-day downturn in oil prices, ExxonMobil turning in a commendable performance was also noteworthy. The world's largest publicly traded component closed at a new all-time high after shareholders applauded better-than-expected earnings, even though the average price of U.S. crude was 8% lower in first quarter versus last year. The Dow, which has risen in 18 of the past 20 sessions and gained more than 780 points in that time, closed at 13,089.89, up 135.95 points, or 1.05%. It was the Dow's 35th record close since the start of October. Of the four sectors finishing with gains, technology was really the only bright spot, following a blowout report from Apple. Last night, Apple posted an 88% jump in quarter two earnings on robust iPod sales, yes, I'm a customer, and surged as much as 7.5% intraday before still finishing strong at an all-time high. Turning in an even better performance on the tech-heavy NASDAQ, though, was Amazon.com, which tacked a 10.5% gain onto yesterday's giant 27% surge. The discretionary sector was also in focus after Harman International agreed to be taken private in an $8 billion deal, and Wendy's put itself up for sale. And now for our small cap news brought to you today by Can-Am Uranium Corporation. Can-Am Uranium Corporation engages in the exploration of natural resource properties. The company holds an option to acquire up to 80% interest in 8 Bancroft uranium projects comprising 37 mineral claims covering an area of approximately 9,765 acres located in the Bancroft area of southeastern Ontario in Canada. IntegraMed America Incorporated this month announced a partner service arrangement with the GBMC Fertility Center in Baltimore, Maryland, to provide a full range of business, marketing, and facility services. The company provides business services to a national network of 30 fertility centers in 86 locations across the United States. The company also distributes pharmaceutical products and treatment financing programs directly to consumers. The company opens their day today at $13.97 a share. IT Group Holdings Incorporated announced today they have recently signed 4 more new contracts with active resellers in the UK for its wholesale line rental and telephone call minutes. These contracts represent a mixed base of revenues of approximately 60% from small and medium-sized enterprises and approximately 40% from residential customers. IT Group Holdings Incorporated operates as a leading global provider of telecommunications services and has established itself as a fast-expanding wholesale carrier operator, supplying service providers and businesses with low-cost telecommunications lines, as well as competitive and high-quality telephone call services. IT Holdings opens its day today at 30 cents a share. And that's it for our newsmakers. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And as always, make sure you look for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Guess what? It's the weekend. Have a great one. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin, and we will see you again next week on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you. You've got it.